Hello everyone, myself C. Ashwini Sonone. Today we are going to discuss about partnership form of business entity, what are the compliances under it, and what are the common mistakes which you need to avoid while forming partnership form of entity. If you like my content, then please share this with your friends and subscribe to my channel. So first we will start with what is partnership. Partnership is when two or more people are coming together to do a business. Partnership is governed by Indian Partnership Act 1932. The most important thing in a partnership is the partnership deed. The partnership deed can have many provisions, but it needs to be governed under the Indian Partnership Act 1932. Now we will discuss the basic contents which each partnership deed should contain. The important clauses which needs to be considered under the partnership deed are the nature of business, under which category we are going to undertake the business. Also we have to mention the name of the partnership firm. Along with it we have to mention the capital contribution which we have decided for the firm. If the partnership business is for a fixed period of time, then that clause also needs to be mentioned in the partnership deed. The most important thing which we have to mention without fail is the share of the partners in the partnership firm. The profit as well as the loss sharing ratio needs to be mentioned. The bank account of the firm, the books of accounts which are going to be maintained under the partnership, as well as the powers of each partners needs to be mentioned in the partnership deed. The other clauses which needs to be mentioned are, in case of death of a partner, what will be the status of the partnership firm, under what circumstances a partner can be excluded from the partnership business, as well as the retirement of the partner needs to be mentioned. Under what circumstances the partnership deed will dissolve needs to be mentioned. Along with it, in case of disputes among the partners, how the settlement will be done also needs to be mentioned. Partnership deed can be oral or written, but mostly it is recommended to have a written partnership deed. Once you have done a partnership deed, you have to register it with the registrar of firms or assurance. Stamp duty needs to be paid and you will get a certificate of registration. Partnership deed is a legal document. The life of the partnership is limited to the life of the partners. It does not work on perpetual succession basis, like in the case of private limited company which works on perpetual succession basis, in which case the director's life does not define the life of the private limited company. Now moving forward to the most important thing. In case of partnership deed, the partner's liability is unlimited. Unlimited liability means he is not only liable for his capital contribution in the firm, his personal assets may also come into picture. A minor can also be a partner in the partnership. The only condition is he will be considered only for profit sharing. In case of losses, the minor won't be responsible. Now we will understand under what circumstances the partnership business can be dissolved. Partnership business can be dissolved in the following circumstances. In the case of death of a partner, retirement of a partner, in case a partner becomes insolvent, in case the partner becomes mentally incapable, by mutual consent, or by legal action. Now we have completed the first part of our discussion. This video is for your understanding purpose before you enter into any new venture. For preparing the partnership deed and registration, you can seek professional help. Now we move forward to the second part of our video, that is the 4 common mistakes which people do while entering into a partnership business. The first and the most common mistake which people do while entering into a partnership business is they try to have an oral agreement and have it on mutual terms. People usually do not go for written agreement, which is a necessity for your long-term survival in the partnership business. So the most important takeaway from this mistake is you have to make a written agreement or a partnership deed before entering into a partnership business for long-term growth and survival of your partnership business. To discuss the second type of common mistake which most of the people do, we are going to take an example. Suppose there are three partners in a partnership business. Two partners have contributed to the capital of the firm, and one partner is going to contribute only towards working of the firm. In this case, the mistake we have done is taking a partner without any contribution in the capital of the firm. It is possible that all partners are not able to contribute equally towards the capital of the firm, but we have to take contribution from each partner. Even if minimum contribution is done by one of the partner, it would be fine. The main reason for having contribution by all partners is the sense of belongingness. When you have contributed your money, the sense of belongingness will come and you will work accordingly. So it is necessary for the long-term success of your partnership firm. The third common mistake which majority of people do is they do not define the roles and responsibility of each partner. Usually, what most of the people think is we will start the partnership business and we will decide the roles and responsibility as and when the time comes, due to which each partner tries to get involved in one or the other thing. Having clear roles and responsibility of each partner will help you to sustain in the long run. Now we will discuss the fourth and the last common mistake which most of the people do while doing a partnership business. While we form a partnership business, we try to take away the profit made by the firm by dividing it as per the profit sharing ratio. Instead, what we have to do is decide salary for each partner, and remaining profits should be reinvested into the partnership business. If you like my content, then please subscribe to my channel, comment down your views in the comment section and share this video with your friends. Thank you for watching.